LiUNA, we're ready to take on any project, any alternative solution that comes our way. The union invested in the PD10 machine because we want to make sure that when we're providing manpower to the contractors that are building these solar projects, we're providing manpower that already knows what the PD10 looks like, knows how to pound a post. We're partnering up with the member, but we're also partnering up with the contractor. Their success is our success.
What I like about being a union member is definitely the camaraderie, the fact that we are protected, but we make a great living wage, be able to provide for my family.
If I had to do it all over again, I would absolutely join the apprenticeship program and be a part of the labor's union.
By far, this is definitely my favorite job ever.
It's like the best thing I ever did, to join the labor's union.